Second most.
Second most. Pretty excited?
No, I'm offended actually.
Well, I mean, if you didn't dress like a lumberjack, I guess last week you weren't.
I was dressed nice last week. I was
You
dressed
were.
nice. Yeah, lumberjack. Yeah, I have to work today, man. Like you get to stay in a nice cozy office and make phone calls. I've actually got to go swing a hammer today.
Shoot. All right.
Is it good? I should wear my ball cap. Ready? Yes.
All right.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us again. We are going to recap our video last week. And last week we had the competition, right?
Yeah, you won the second most handsome man contest.
Wait a second, second most?
Second most.
That would mean you were the first most handsome.
Apparently.
I don't know. Second place to you. That's not bad. What was the other one? What was the other
We
one?
still don't have a good title for me. There's some good suggestions from Facebook listeners, but we still haven't got anything.
No.
We're still brand ambassador.
Brand ambassador is kind of moving towards the top.
I hope not.
I'm hating that one less now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
It's,
I still don't like marketing. So if we can think of a good title for Seth, who does all of our marketing. But we don't call it marketing, we call it educating. So I'm starting to like brand ambassador. It sounds a little bit like pretentious, right?
I mean, it sounds way bigger than it might be. I don't know. It's
kind of highfalutin.
It's definitely high. There could be a better name.
Okay,
I think.
Help us out.
Help us out with that. So, how was your week?
My week was really good. I got a lot of work done, picked up some big contracts for military handyman. People all over the nation are really jazzed about supporting veteran businesses and these large property managers and brokerages and loan departments. They want to support their veterans. So
Yeah, they do.
that's good.
It's good.
How about you?
We saw a big spike in the user signups last week after the video, and want to say thank you to everybody that watched and commented and liked and whatever and shared. Please continue to share. It's huge for us. And then everybody that went to the website and signed up, awesome.
Right.
What are you doing for Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving, going up to the hills with the family. There's a ranch up there, and it's always a good time. Huge family. What about you?
I'm going to be doing some volunteer work here in the local community in Fresno. Some plans got canceled with family down in Palm Springs, so looking forward to that.
Going to do volunteer work?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Always wanted to do it. Have never had the opportunity to really step away, but now I do.
Right on. Good looking and a good heart.
The good looking, kind heart, I'll take that.
And modest. So to recap, users continue to go to the website, sign up. If you have any work, send it to us and we'll get it over to a veteran. Veteran business owners, service pros, handymen, go to the website, sign up as a service pro for free so that those users can find you. And remember, be thankful for your family. Also be thankful that we have active duty military and our veterans, because freedom is not free.
Yeah, there's a price for freedom, and somebody's paying it currently.
Yep.
Or they paid it in the past. So
Right.
let's just give thanks to them during this time.
All right. God bless America. God bless our active duty, and God bless our veterans. That's right.
Thank you guys for signing in. See you next week.
Take care.